Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will know what is quick panel and how to control it. Just swipe from the notification area and this is quick panel, and if you again swipe, quick panel is expanded. So in this expanded condition, you have device control, media output options, calls, text messages, mobile data, SIM card related details. First one is media related details, then SIM card related details, and these are all the quick panel icons, and below that this is a brightness level indicator. So this is actually quick panel. Along with this quick panel expansion, you will have other three features. One is media control, then SIM card details, then brightness level. So if you want to control these, you can do it from notification bar itself. Go to these three dots and click on quick panel layout, and first one is brightness control. Click it and it is here selected show when quick panel expanded. You can also set it to show always, so every time it will be showing. For example, I click on done and see here in the non-expansion of quick panel it's also showing, so always it is showing. That's the meaning of it. Before that it will not be showing here. If it is selected quick panel is expanded, then it will not be showing here, and only in the expansion it will be showing. See here, I go to quick panel layout, and when it is selected show when quick panel expanded, the click on done, and only in the expansion it will be showing. Now it is not in the expansion condition, and that indicator, that is brightness level indicator, is not showing now. Only in the expansion, if you again swipe, then only it will be showing. So next one is, we will see next one is click on that three vertical dots, click on quick panel layout, device control and media output buttons. Show when quick panel expanded is selected by default. If you click it, you can select like show always, so it will be showing when quick panel is not expanded itself. That is when the first swipe itself, you will get device control details. If you select don't show, either in first swipe or second swipe, it will not be showing. It will not always showing. It is disabled. See here, I click on done and it is disabled now. It is in expansion. Quick panel is in expansion, and there is no device control. Now also it's not showing. This is not expanded condition and it's not showing. Again, I go to these three dots, click on quick panel layout and click on device control and media buttons, and if you select show always, it will be always showing. Okay, it's showing. Then third one is, again go to the same settings and click on multi-sim info. By default it is showing show when quick panel expanded, but if you select and if you pick up don't show, it will not be showing. It's not showing, it is disabled now. If it is selected show when quick panel expanded, it's showing here. So in this way you can easily control media output and device control and multi-sim info, and also brightness control as per your wish. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.